What if I told you you could save over $2,000 this year with a 5-minute conversation? Most renters never negotiate their rent, not because they can't, but because they don't know what to say. Today, I'll show you 3 simple data tricks that landlords actually respect. Meet Alex. His landlord wants to increase his rent from $1,800 to $2,000 per month. Instead of saying yes, Alex decides to do some research first. Here's the first trick. Search for similar apartments within 1 or 2 miles. If nearby apartments are renting for less, you now have real negotiating power. Facts beat opinions. Second, become the tenant every landlord wants. If you've always paid rent on time, never caused problems, and take care of the property, you have value. Remind your landlord of that. Third, offer something in return. For example, you could sign a longer lease or agree to automatic payments. Landlords love stability. Sometimes that matters more than a higher rent. Now, Alex sends a simple message. I enjoy living here. I found similar apartments renting for around $1,850. I've always paid on time. Would you consider renewing my lease at $1,875? Short, professional, respectful. The result? Instead of paying $2,000, Alex negotiates his rent to $1,875. That's $1,500 saved every year, just by asking. Remember, negotiation isn't about arguing. It's about using facts. Before you renew your next lease, spend 10 minutes researching your local market. It could save you thousands. Follow for more simple money tips.